friends, today I make this review video for the Tingsy brand company. In this video, I shown you the single node Wi-Fi switch which contain a verified circuit and some wirings. Friends, this is a Tingsy company circuit. For buying it, touch the link that I given in the description box. In this circuit, you can see that there are 3 2-pin connectors, 1, 2 and 3. Friends, in first connector, we want to give 220 volt in, and in second connector, we want to give 220 volt out wirings. And in third connectors, which is right side of the circuit, we want to give the one-way switch by which we can also control the appliance manually. The one-way switch in third connector. So friends, let's start the wirings. Let's suppose that this holder and bulb is one of the appliances that your house connection had. The holder has 2 wires, negative and positive, which we want to give to the 220 volt out in the circuit. Positive here and negative here. And for in 220 volt supply, we only take the 2 wires from this connector and put these wires in a 2-pin plug. Friends, in this connector, we want to give the connection of 2-pin plug. Positive here, positive here and negative here. Friends, as I tell you that in this circuit, the manual switch option is also there. So, the manual switch is given to this connector, which is aside a LED. Now, we complete the wiring part and hence go through the completely. Friends, for controlling this circuit, we need a Tingsy app which is available on Play Store and Apple iPhone Store both. So friends, before starting the downloading part, we can explain that this is a Tingsy circuit and the 220 volt out is given to the bulb and 220 volt in is given to the 2-pin plug in a normal switch. The third connector is given to the manual switch by which we can also control this appliance manually. So let's start the downloading part. You need a smartphone. For downloading the app, I go to the Play Store. By searching the Tingsy, I download the app that is shown on the screen, that is Tingsy. This one. After downloading the app, first we want to log in it. I log in with SMS. You can also log in with Google. By login with SMS, the OTP is coming on your mobile number which you registered on the Tingsy app. After successfully login, this type of screen is being opened on the Tingsy app. There is an option here, add device. You want to touch this option. And Now you want to set your Wi-Fi SSID username and password on the Tingsy device. Now, finally, our device is connected to our Wi-Fi. You can see that device is presented on the screen, and hence we operate this Wi-Fi switch from anywhere in the world. You can also see on the screen of my video that the LED is stopped blinking, which indicate that the Wi-Fi is connected to our device. See the practical that how this system works. You can see that bulb is on now. Off, on, off, on. Manually also off, on, off and on. You can see that when I on the switch on the app, then automatically the bulb will on, and whenever I off the switch on the app, then the bulb is off. Friends, there is an advantage in the circuit that we can control the system manually also by the one-way switch. Friends, in this circuit there is an interesting thing. The interesting thing is that when we on or off this switch manually, the app will also show the indication. Let's see, on, the app will show the on indication, and when I off the switch, the app will also show the off indication. So this is an advantage point in this circuit. You can see that when I touch the on off button on the screen of my mobile phone, the bulb is automatically on, and this will work on any network. Friend, I want to tell you that this is a very cheap circuit, and for buying it you can see the description box also. This Tingsy smart device is also applicable on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can also control this device by these two methods. For any more information, contact me. The number is given in the description box. Subscribe my channel and like this video and share it also. Thank you for visiting the Robotics King with me.